Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, this is class 9th, subject of general science. Our today's topic is Newton's second law of motion. In the last previous chapter, in the previous topic, we had discussed momentum. We have seen that momentum is the quantity of motion contained in a object or in a body. Or momentum is of an object is defined as the product of mass and velocity of an object. When a force is applied on a body, what happens? There occurs a change in its momentum. This change in momentum, it is described by the second law of motion. By the Newton's second law of motion. The second law of motion states that the rate of change of momentum of a body is directly proportional to the force applied, and this change in momentum takes place in the direction of the applied force. Newton's second law of motion you see rate of change of momentum of a body directly depend upon the force applied. You this force apply karo, as the force applied on a body and an object, what happens? The rate of the change in momentum increase, and this change in momentum, it takes place direction is in the direction of the applied force. You see rate of change of momentum of a body directly depend the force applied on a body. You this force karo rate of change of momentum. These momentum change with respect to the time. You see force, it is directly proportional to the change in momentum divided by time taken. So you see change in momentum, rate of change of momentum of a body directly depend upon the force applied on it. You this force karo, that means second law of motion. When a force is applied on an object, what happens? An acceleration is produced in an object. The second law of motion also states that the acceleration of an object, it is dependent on two variables. We see acceleration produced in an object when a force is applied on it, it depends upon two variables. Don't चीजों पे depend करा. अक्ष करा कहाँ पे depend? It depends on the net force acting on an object. Second, it depends upon the mass of the object. Then you see acceleration of an object, it depends directly upon the net force acting upon the object. You see acceleration of an object directly depend kara kath pe. Acceleration of an object depend kara directly upon the net force acting on the object, and is inversely proportional kath mass of the object. तमिक मतलब you this force applied on the body, you this force apply objects पे तीस गए तथ मज acceleration ते ज़्यादा produce. Youth mass of the object increase करो तीत हसा गए acceleration of an object हसा गए तीस कम. तेले वनो Newton's second law of motion acceleration produced in an object by applying force, it is directly proportional to the force applied on it. It is directly proportional to the magnitude of the force applied on it, and is inversely proportional to the mass of the object. So we can say that acceleration produced in an object, it is directly depend upon the force. You this force apply to the acceleration produce, and is inversely proportional to the mass. You mass as ज़्यादा object तीज गस atmos by applying force तीज गस atmos come acceleration produce. तेरे वनो इस acceleration produced is equal to net force divided by m. In other words, this equation can be written as F is directly proportional to the product of mass and acceleration, or F is equal to kma, where k is constant, m is the mass of an object, and a is the acceleration produced in an object, by applying force. By applying force, in simple words, we see acceleration or the rate of change of momentum of an object as directly depend upon the force applied and is inversely proportional to the mass of the object. Mass of the object. This is the Newton's second law of motion.